Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll look at review questions 13, 14, and 15. Let's begin with question number 13. Which one of the following is a deductible interest expense? A. Capitalized interest on a business loan. B. Partial liability of a loan. C. Penalties on underpaid deficiencies. Or D. Standby charges to have funds available for a business. The correct answer is B. If a taxpayer is liable and makes payments on a portion of a loan, then that percentage of the interest paid is deductible. Now let's take a look at review question number 14. Which of the following types of tax is a deductible as a business expense? A. Federal income tax. B. Estate and gift taxes. C. Foreign taxes attributable to business. Or D. State inheritance tax. The correct answer is C. Foreign taxes that are attributable to businesses are considered a business expense and are deductible. Now let's take a look at review question number 15. Mark is the owner of a furniture store. He paid his employee Julie $25,000 this year. However, after Mark withheld various taxes, Julie actually received $20,000. Mark also had to pay an additional $2,000 in employment taxes. Which is the correct deduction for Mark to take? A. $25,000 is deducted as wages and $2,000 is deducted as taxes. B. $20,000 is deducted as wages and $2,000 is deducted as taxes. C. $27,000 is deducted as wages since the tax is an employment expense. Or D. $20,000 is deducted as wages and $7,000 is deducted as tax. The correct answer is A. The full amount paid to Julie is deductible as wages, and the $2,000 that was paid from Mark's funds is deductible as taxes.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.